1 kit, 10 luxury bath gifts. Create high-end spa salts for pennies each. Relax at home or gift the zen this holiday. Hey, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. Each month we bring you a fresh DIY experience. And November's kit is all about DIY bath salts. When I saw the still waters recipe inside, I couldn't wait to try it. Store-bought bath salts are often loaded with synthetic fragrances. This kit is pure, mineral-rich ingredients and essential oils only. Here's everything you get in the November DIY bath salts kit. Tranquility Essential Oil Blend and Pomarosa Essential Oil Blend for that spa-like aroma. Natrasorb bath powder to safely carry those oils. Mineral-rich pink Himalayan and mineral sea salt. And beautiful dried rose petals and lavender buds. Plus 10 test tubes, 10 bath tea bags, and labels. Everything you need to make 10 stunning still water bath salts. Now that we've got all the ingredients out, let's turn them into layered bath salts that look and feel like a luxury gift. In a small bowl, mix a 1/4 cup of Natrasorb bath powder with 15 drops of Tranquility and 15 drops of Pomarosa. This ensures the oils disperse evenly in your bath. For each test tube, layer in 1/2 teaspoon of the Natrasorb mixture and 1 tablespoon pink Himalayan salt, 1 tablespoon mineral sea salt, 1 tablespoon dried rose petals, and 1 tablespoon dried lavender buds. Layer for beautiful stripes or gently mix for a speckled look. And here's a tip. Since the test tubes don't stand on their own, place one in a sturdy cup or a small jar as you fill it. It helps keep things steady and catch any spills. Cap each tube and label, and store them in a cool, dry place. When ready to unwind, empty a tube into a bath tea bag. Drop it into a warm bath, swirl to dissolve, and soak for 20 to 30 minutes. I love this scent. It's very light, citrusy, and floral with a hint of rose. After using this, my skin feels so soft, almost like I just left a spa. And it's nice knowing I made it myself. Now it's your turn. Create your own still waters bath salts and share them by using #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth for a chance to be featured and win a $100 gift card. Get the November DIY bath salts kit today at simplyearth.com. Thanks for making with me, and I'll see you next time.